Right, so an acrobat of mass 55 kg is standing on the tightrope. By modeling the acrobat as a particle, tightrope as a two inextensible strings, calculate the tension in the tightrope on each side of the rope. So if we take free body diagram, so this is the person who is standing, okay. So for
Yes.
now we are considering that person as a particle, and the weight of the particle will be acting downwards. How much? That is 55 kgs. Kgs gives us the value of mass, but we want here weight. So m into g we need to take. Fine, where g value is 9.81. Okay.
Yes.
Then these angles are 20 degrees. So let's take it like this. So this angle will be 20. This angle will be 10 degrees, right?
Yes.
So then this side tension, let's take T1. This side tension, let's take T2. We are supposed to find tensions T1 and T2. So let's proceed. Again, I think for this we can go with Lami's theorem. Okay.
Yes.
We can go with Lami's theorem. Angle theta is not that complex. We can directly put it. So first let's take T1. T1, the opposite angle is this. So T1 sine, T1 divided by sine 90 plus 10. No?
Yes.
So that is equal to the weight 55g, that divided by sine of this angle. How much is that angle? 180 minus 20 minus 10. Hai?
Yes.
180 is straight angle minus these two angles will give us this. And then we have T2. The angle opposite to T2, that is this angle. That is how much? This angle is 90 plus 20, correct?
Yes.
So now that we have all the three relations, we can go ahead and solve T1 and T2. So first take these two. You will get T1. T1 equals, so this becomes cross multiplied, right?
Yes.
So we get 55 into g. G is 9.81 into sine 90 plus 10. 90 plus 10 is 100, no? Divided by
Yes.
sine this total angle. Total 180 minus 20 minus 10. That is 180 minus 30. Okay. So that is giving us 1062.71. Correct?
Yes.
So this one is in kgs. So when we convert, we will get it in newtons. So tension is in newtons. The same way we need to find tension T2. So in order to find the T2, we have to take these two equations. Okay. So take those two equations, we get T2. Again cross multiply. So this goes upwards. What do we get? We get okay, let's use the same one. So now the angle is 90 plus 20. 90 plus 20 is 110, right?
Yes.
This gets multiplied in numerator, everything else remains the same. So 1014.02 in newtons. Okay. So
Yes.
these are the values of tensions. Any doubt here?
No.
Okay, so next let's